Hello, good morning students. Today in this video we are going to learn subject-verb concord or agreement. It is also called as subject-verb agreement. The verb must agree with its subject in number and person. That is, verb must be of the same number and person as its subject. So, subject-verb concord or agreement. Now first of all, you have to know what is a subject. Subject means doer of the action. Verb, that is the word that denotes action. Example, the man knocks the door. So, in a sentence, always the subject and the verb has to agree. Okay? The verb must agree with the verb subject, and the subject also must agree with the verb according to number and a person. Number means we have got two numbers in English grammar, that is singular and a plural, and we have three persons, that is first person, second person, and a third person. Okay, so under this the persons are divided into singular and a plural. So first person I, plural is, singular is I, and plural is a we. Second person, singular is you, plural is you. Okay, and the third person is he, she, it, singular. Okay, and the plural is they. So various rules of subject-verb agreement. We will study about this. First one, we use plural verb when the subject of a sentence has two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and. When two or more nouns or pronouns are connected by and in a sentence, then we will use plural verb. Now you see there are two nouns, onions and potatoes. Okay, so there is a conjunction and, right? So that is why we are using the verb are, okay, plural. So onions and potatoes are root vegetables. Now let us see the next. Number 2, we use a singular verb when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor. Is it clear? So singular verb, okay, we use a singular verb when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor. Example, Mitali or Virali is baking a cake today. So you can see the conjunction connected by or. So we are using the verb in singular, that is. Mitali or Virali is baking a cake today. Now number 3, we use a singular verb with the words each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one. Example, each of the students is highly appreciated. Now you can see each, okay, each, and so we are using singular verb, that is is. Okay, so I'm giving only one example. Okay, the same as the others also. If the word each one, either, neither, all these are used, then we will go for singular verb. Okay. Now number 4, we use a plural verb with nouns such as scissors, tweezers, trousers, and shears. So the word, okay, the word like scissors, tweezers, all are having s form. Okay, but these are not. Okay, these are not a plural, right? Okay, but we use plural verb for those words. Example, the scissors are kept in the drawer. Okay. Now number 5, some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. So the nouns which are in plural form but singular in meaning. So now let's see, the news is true. News. N-E-W-S, news. This is singular, but it takes a plural, okay, plural form, news, because S form is there. If we don't put S, then it will become new. Okay, so that becomes another word. So news, mathematics, wages, politics, all these words are in plural form, but it is singular in meaning. Okay, so this kind of words, okay, this kind of nouns, we will go for singular of verb. Okay, so this is is. This is singular verb. The news is, we don't say the news are. The news is true. Mathematics is a subject, is not are. Wages, the wages of sin is debt. Yes, okay. Now next, number 6. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning take a plural verb. Example, according to the present market rate, 12,000 costs 100 rupees. Have you understood? The some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning. Okay, plural in meaning. So here, nouns according to the present market rate, 12,000. Cost is now here in plural form. Okay, if it is singular form, then it will be S form, C-O-S-T-S, cost. Okay, but now here is written C-O-S-T. So it is 12,000. Okay, this is 1,000. Some nouns which are singular in form. This is in singular form. Okay, but plural in meaning. Is it clear? So that is why we are using plural verb. Now next is a collective noun can take either a singular or a plural verb depending on the context. Collective noun, I hope everyone knows what is collective noun. Yes, a collection of a noun, right? So it takes a singular verb when the noun is considered as a single unit. It takes a singular verb when the noun is considered as a single unit. Example, you can say this choir of singers is very melodious. Choir of singers. Singers, don't you see here plural? But we are taking the verb singular is because this is a collective noun. Choir of singers. Choir is a collective noun. Okay, choir means a collection of singers. Okay, so this choir of singers is very melodious. Or a bunch of geese are kept. We don't say are kept. A bunch of geese is kept on the table. Bunch of geese. There are many keys, but it is under one key holder. Okay, so this choir of singers, though it is in plural, since it is talking about collective noun, the verb is, that is singular, is used. Now next is it takes a plural verb when the components of noun are considered individually. The board of directors are working for it. So when the plural verb, okay, it takes a plural verb. You can see plural verb are, okay, when the components of noun are considered individually. Individually means the board of directors here, okay, the board of directors, here it is taken as individual, correct? Board of directors. So that is why we are using, since it is directors plural form, we are taking a plural verb, okay, because the components of nouns are considered individually. Now number 8, we use singular verb with words like neither, nor, either, or. Example, neither the mother nor the daughter is as talented in music as Vanita. Okay, so we use singular verb, that is. We are talking about the mother and the daughter, but we are using neither and nor. Okay, so when we use this neither, nor, either, or, then always the verb will be in singular. Okay, in singular verb. Number 9, when two subjects are joined by as well as with, along with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Okay, so the example is the child as well as his parents was present. The children as well as their parents were present. So when two subjects are joined by as well as or with, okay, you can see the sentence, it is joined with as well as, right? So at that time, what we will do, the verb agrees with the first subject. Okay, so which is the first subject? The child. Okay, his parents comes the second subject. So the child is singular, so we are taking was. Okay, and now next I have the second sentence, the children as well as their parents. So which one is the first subject? The children. So children is plural. So where is plural. Okay, so in this way we will use. Now number 10, if a plural noun is a proper name, then it takes a singular verb. Example, Little Women is a very interesting book. This is the name of the book. Okay, it is written women in plural, but we will not take plural verb because this is a proper name. Okay, so this is the explanation of the subject-verb concord or the subject-verb agreement. I hope you have understood. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.